Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dan H and welcome back. Today on the project, we're going to power wash the engine bay of PBJ. This thing is filthy and grimy, so we're going to degrease the whole thing and spray it down to make it a little more pleasant when we tear it apart. Before we do that, we're going to disconnect the battery and I'm going to take out the computer to keep it safe. A good thing to do before you disconnect the battery and start taking things apart is to test as many components as you can and see what needs to be replaced. Like this window motor. Alright, this battery is coming out first. There we go. Just gonna wrap these connectors in a bag so I don't get any crap inside the plugs when I power wash them. Okay, so the battery's out, the computer's out. I'm going to spray everything down with some engine degreaser. I'm going to let this sit and do its thing. In the meantime, I'm going to drain all the fluids. Start with the oil.
Daddy.
What, honey?
I want to help.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, just sit right there and I'll give you a job to do.
Okay. Soft. Softy, soft. Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Had the double worn so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
That was beautiful.
I want to work now. Let's take off the oil filter.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Daddy, what's that on your arm?
I'm wearing gloves so I don't get yuckies on my hands.
How do I take off this, Daddy?
You just gotta spin it.
Yeah.
Okay, the oil's all drained. Now I'm gonna drain the antifreeze. I'm gonna take off this upper radiator hose, the lower radiator hose, and I'm gonna catch it all in this tub. Well, if the screwdriver falls into the tub, you know you're not gonna mess with the antifreeze. Yeah, that's supposed to be green. Alright, gonna let this drip for a while. Okay, so we let the degreaser sit, let it do its thing. Now we're gonna blast it all the way. Don't forget that. Alright guys, that's going to do it for Power Washing PBJ. Remember to like and subscribe and leave any ideas you have for this thing in the comments. And we'll see you on the next episode when we take more stuff apart.